Hey everyone, it's Hano from Cracking Gate. So heading out this morning to something different, which is Motorkhana out at Queensland Raceway. So if you don't know what Motorkhana is, it's a low speed motorsport event, timed and multiple rounds. And the intention is you complete a course which is set out by cones and you drive around a certain configuration in the shortest amount of time possible. So sort of incorporates a little bit of speed driving, technical abilities with handling, as well as sometimes drifting depending on the vehicle you're driving. It's open to front wheel drives, rear wheel drives, four wheel drive cars. So I'm going to head out to Queensland Raceway and yeah, see what cars are doing it out there. So. Out here, we'll just have a quick look at the car. So we got Subaru BRZ, Renault Clio, Mark II Chaser, and you got 350Z convertible, Ford Mustang, and also you got bikes running on the main track. Over here, Mazda MX-5, and got Dodge Viper RT10. It's one of my neighbours, a few doors down. R34 GTT, RS Focus, XR6 Falcon, the aftermarket intercooler. The drivers over there just having a bit of a driver's brief, and these are on a skid control. And you got 370Z Nismo edition, another Camry, and Toyota Celica. And we're probably the only spectators here at the moment. So. And then out here we've got the skid pad. So you see the cones and Mazda MX-5. So ready to rock and roll.
All maybe for you, 4 laps, got some racing happening right now. Breaking. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. Coffee as well. I heard this. Race Sunday morning for you then. You're in the draw with Current Star as well. Oh, true. Thank you. That's fantastic. How exciting. Yeah, get on it. Get in the draw. It's that easy. 13.4 or download the noise or play your own Racing Star.
So yeah, that's the Motorkhana out there, and then over there we've got the bikes doing a practice session as well out at Queensland Raceway. So pretty good, multiple events running at the same time, which is good to see. New ownership, so hopefully full calendar and more of these events to happen. So if you enjoyed this video or any others on Crack Gate, if you haven't already, click subscribe, give a thumbs up, share the links, any feedback, put in the comments down below. So next time, thanks for watching, we'll see you around. Cheers.